Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit account. Creating a Reddit account is fast and free, and it's quite simple to do. Let's go through the steps together. First, we're going to open up Reddit on our browser. I've already got it here, reddit.com. Then we're going to click on Sign Up in the top corner. It's going to give us a few options. We can continue with Google if you have your Google account. You can continue with Apple if you want to sign up with your Apple account. Or the more common method, we can just enter our email and sign up there. If you want to limit the amount of spam that you get, you can use a disposable email address for this purpose, which is what I'm going to show you how to do today. So we open a new tab. We can open a disposable email service. There's many of them available. We click to copy the email address. Go back to Reddit. Paste our email address in here. Click continue. It's going to ask us for the username that we want to use. I'm just going to use a test account for this purpose. And a password. And we do have to solve a CAPTCHA as well. Great, so now everything is verified that this username is available. It's got the check mark. The password meets the requirements. It's got the check mark. And I passed the CAPTCHA. We can click sign up. The account has been created. Which of the following best describes you? You can skip this or you can choose, and this will change how the customization is when you use Reddit. I'll just skip this for this purpose. And it's going to offer me some options of what I'm into. So if I'm into funny, entertainment, and movies, continue. I can go through and choose the ones that I would like to subscribe to start off. You can always subscribe to more later, so you can not worry about this if you want, or you can spend a little bit more time customizing it, but you can always join more communities later. Continue. It's going to give me an option if I want to use an avatar. I can continue, skip. If I click on randomize, it'll give me more options. I like that one, so I'm going to continue. And we just give it a moment while it's creating our customized home feed. And there we go, we've created our Reddit account. We're going to go back to our temporary email service, refresh. We have to verify our email address. So I'm going to copy this link, go back to Reddit, paste that into the address bar, and now we verified our email account. Email verification is complete, and we've got our Reddit account ready to go. And that is how to create a Reddit account. If you want to learn more about how to create Reddit accounts or Quora accounts or marketing on Reddit, make sure you do check out the link in the description. Thank you.